Alright fellas, welcome to another video. In this video we are changing the sway bar link on a 2016 CLA size 18 I believe, and the bottom one I already lose it, so it's ready to go. And the top one, we're gonna open it up. You have two options. Either you can buy one from the dealership, which I believe is like 60 or 70 bucks, or you can buy aftermarket from the Moog. I prefer the Moog because in the Moog you have the grease fittings where you can grease them, and I prefer Moog over the dealership. So let's go ahead and do this job. So to open the sway bar, what I would suggest you is to use a grip plier on the back. Tab is a round surface, so you have to use a grip plier, but the aftermarket one I'm going to show you, the Moog, has a nut in the back that you can hold and tighten it up. So let me first open this up and I'll go over with you guys. Let me show you what I mean by that. You see this surface right here is round. There's no way you can hold anything, so you have to use a grip plier. And you see they're loose, they're broken, the rubber is bad. You see the rubber is bad and it's round. Let me show you the aftermarket one. So this is what I have, is the aftermarket one. You guys can see it has, and I'll show you in a minute why I prefer this thing for the grease, and this thing is way more sturdier than the dealership. And then I have this nut over here that I can hold while I tie it up. So I prefer this over the dealership, even though some people would think, okay, the dealership is going to be better, but in my personal opinion, and it's my opinion, you guys can do whatever you want. I'll go with the Moog brand for this particular part. So let's go back ahead and install this. All right, it's in. I'm going to install the bottom one first. Let me tighten up this bolt, the nut. It's a fairly simple process. I am done with the bottom one. Now I'm going to use a gun for the top one. It's done. And my friend, that's how you do the job, changing the sway bar on a CLA 250 year 2016. With that being said, I'm going to end this video. Take care and bye-bye.